Okay, can you hear me? Can you see the presentation?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, so hello everybody. I would like to introduce our project. The name of our solution is Move and Health, and our topic is Health on the Move. So what is waiting for us in this presentation? The first point will describe our problem. The second point will show us the solution. Next we will see how it works. After that, we will explain who can use it and why is our solution better. Next, we will show how we can get paid. Lastly, we will tell you what are our risks. So here is shown our team. So my name is Jan Chani, and here are my colleagues, Kirill Pavlov, Kofi Judikael Amani, and Roland Barani. And now I give floor to Kofi.
Thank you so much, Jan, and hello everyone. We have four reasons which led us for our solution, our startup, and let's say that nearly 90% of urban population in Europe is exposed to pollutants with concentrations above the air quality levels assumed to be harmful to health. And so our motivation is about, let's say, these four reasons. First is because of there are a lot of traffic jams, and therefore people are spending more time in traffic, which is causing air pollution and health problems. We also have um, urbanization, and the city become crowded with more transportation vehicles. Also, active people are unaware of the poor air quality. So now we'll present you our solution in just 4 points. First is to equip vehicles and buildings. Because of for the vehicles, we just have some let's say e-cars, buses, and for that vehicles we just give our sensors, implement our sensors, and with those sensors we collect data like temperature, humidity, CO2, CO, NO2, O3, and other gases. So with those data that we connected, let's say that first our sensors will be connected with some network, some typical network, and now with the well-known network has lower one, which are some LP1, so low power and wide area network, according to the energy consumption, because they are low energy consumption. And also we can have some LTE networks such as 5G, according to the rate and the, let's say, efficiency. So with this network, we just, let's say, connect data, and our data will be treated, will be, let's say, processed in order to predict the effect of external conditions on health, pattern of community activities, traffic jams, and level of air pollution. So people, our users, our customer will use our services to be just informed and alerted about the most congested and polluted traffic areas and be offered alternative traffic routes.
So how does it work? So our application is very easy to use. When you download and open the application, you will be presented with a login form. After that, a map with the current air pollution in which you can choose your starting point and finish point. And based on the air pollution and weather conditions, the best routes and type of transportation to use will be suggested to our customers. So in the picture you can see the example of our solution. And who can use it? So firstly, the providers of shared transport or mobility services, so they can use collecting the traffic data from sensors and predict the type of transportation for their customers. Bike sharing companies can predict the routes to destination according to polluted areas. So next, the people or citizens, students or young adults who live in the city and who wants to start living healthier and prevent future health-related issues. So adults who want to lower risk of health complications, and people who have breathing problems or allergy. Next, active people who want to check the conditions before they go running, cycling, or some other outdoor activity. And lastly, the city government can use our solution. The government can also use our solution to predict where polluted areas are and can organize, for example, sport events, cultural events, or other outdoor events in locations where there is no air pollution, or government can provide it also as a city service for their citizens.
Okay, thank you, Jan. And now allow me just to tell you how is our solution special and suitable for this case. Just saying that moving health, apart from predicting air quality and advising people for a healthy mobility, it also has environmental benefits stem from the acknowledgement of people carbon footprints and the effect that pollution has on citizens' health. Additionally, it bears an educational perspective, since more informed citizens might lead to more responsible citizens. And now let's talk about how do we get paid. So we just have four, let's say, activities for the product or for services, and just supply and installation of our electronic system. Secondly, maintenance and replacement of sensors and other electronic tools. Further, we just advertise in our application a web app or a mobile app, and for the announcer or partner, they can just promote the product. And lastly, we just monitor our technical infrastructures. And here is some cost. As you can see here are our free customer segments. First, the city government and the transportation companies that we just paid for 10,000 euros just the first time because of installation and let's say maintenance and also monitoring system. And for that, they will also let's say pay after more, let's say cheaper. They will pay cheaper after. And according to the people and the citizens, they will just for subscription pay 4 euros. And as you can see, monthly they will pay cheaper than the first time. And now we can also have the risk. Yes, we deal also with the risk of our solution, our system, and the risk could be not getting enough partner and investment for starting. And so for that, we will do maybe marketing campaign and getting investors. Also present our business to business launcher companies and having minimum quantity of capital calculating for starting. Also, not getting users. And for that, we just have marketing campaign for getting users. And we can also have bad services. According to bad services, we
Yeah, Jan, maybe you can continue.
Oh, okay. Coffee is not here.
Who controls the presentation?
Me, okay.
Okay.
But I don't understand where coffee and okay. So our risks are so not getting enough partners and investors starting. Okay.
So this is part that was
Yes, coffee
for him to present.
Yes. Okay, so
Yeah, maybe we can give you the second chance to repeat it.
Okay, I can
I
repeat
would
it.
like to ask evaluators, what do you think? What to do in this situation?
I think everybody can see the screen, so you
Ah,
can follow.
but I can see he is back. You had a problem with your internet connection.
Okay, and just follow the next slide.
So okay, so I can continue. So
let me continue. I can
okay,
get you.
okay.
Okay,
So
just to sum up with SmartSoc, with our solution Moving Health, we just move, and with Moving Health, we are more smart and we are healthy. So thank you for your attention. Do you have any question for us?